Hello everyone, and welcome to Chinese with Pei on Perkins University. In this video, we're going to go over radicals 66 through 70. Most of these are pretty straightforward, easy radicals, but let's do this. Let's get started. Alright, radical 66 is poo, not like poop, but poo. There's two ways to write this radical. The first one, the older one, which is, it's still used, it's just this is the one that's older of the two, is like that. Another way to write it, so this is the four-stroke way to write it. Another way to write it, especially if it's kind of squished in there, is poo. And poo means to wrap. Like to wrap it up. Poo. Like wrap a present, wrap. So wrap. Poo. And there's 296 characters listed under this radical. So, and you can kind of see it, especially in this one. It's like you got this thing and you've wrapped it up down here. So, it's kind of a way to remember that. Poo, to wrap. Right, 67 is 1, and its modern way of writing it can get confusing. It's easy to confuse that with pool. So you go your dot, over, back, over. Typically, sometimes you'll write it. Sometimes you'll see people write it like that. Either way, it's okay. It's just style choice. It means script or literature. It can also be used to mean language, like 中文, Chinese. Its ancient versions are very similar. So first, I'm just going to erase this bottom one so I have some more room here. So first, it kind of looked like this. Like that. And then it got a lot complicated, where it got the ancient radical for heart in there. And then the form it took just before this one just looked like that. So you can kind of see this evolution of it getting back to that. So one, literature, script, language. So that's what that one means. Now, the next character we're going to do is character 68. This character looks very different now than it used to. So now, it looks like this. This is dou, and it means a dipper or like a ladle. With this radical, oh sorry, I forgot to tell you, under 1, there's 26 characters. Dou is not much more impressive at 32. Its ancient form, though, you can kind of see its meaning a little bit better in the ancient form, where it comes in like this. And you got the handle, the actual dipper, your hand gripping it. Dou, dipper. So that's radical 68. Right? Now radical 69, it's written like this. Okay? And that's jin, and it means axe, or in traditional Chinese, it is a unit of mass. Modernly, you have the gongjin, or the kilogram, but this jin was a unit of mass. Now, there's 55 characters under this, and you kind of look at it and you're kind of like, I don't really see an axe. axe in there. I mean, kind of, maybe this is the axe head or something, you know. It's one of its ancient forms kind of looks more like an axe. It's kind of one of its earliest form. And you can kind of see the development it went through, kind of, but that is as close to an actual axe as it ever actually looks. But Jin axe. Okay. So this next one is Feng. It's radical 70 Feng. It's written like this. Feng. And it means square. And I know it's not really a picture of a square. We've kind of covered Ko and Wei, where they are actual squares. But Feng, this is the word that means square. There's 92 characters under this radical, and under Jin there was 55. So most of these radicals in this video, they're not in a lot of characters, but they are used frequently. Like the characters that they're in are used frequently. All right, now the ancient form of this, there's tons of different ancient forms of this, and they're all very, very different. One of them kind of looks like a man kneeling down. It kind of looks like that. And so it's kind of this weird shape going on. But that's Feng, radical 70. Well, I hope that was useful for you. To help you kind of learn some of the radicals. If it was, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you'd like to support us so I can make more of these videos more often, you can go to our Patreon page at patreon.com/Perkins University, and you can donate there. Sometimes I forget to say this, but if there isn't ever a topic, like any topic you want us to talk about on the channel, go ahead and put it in the comments, and I'll do some research into it, and I will report on my research. Either way, we hope we'll see you next time. Until then, this is Perkins University, Chinese with Pay. 再见。